All right, we are arrived to link the connection between gut health and testosterone. So there is a connection between the two, and this is something that I found out a bit later in my journey of research into the topic of male androgen hormones. And I found that there are several ways how the gut influences your gonadal response of making androgen hormones. So, first of all, we have several strains of bacteria inside the intestines, and these strains of bacteria can influence your hormonal endocrine system. All right, so this is not only testosterone, this is also other hormones and neurotransmitters. Okay, then we have leakiness, and this is the main thing. When we have leakiness of the gut, undigested food particles, endotoxins, and serotonin, these are the main chemicals that can leach out into the bloodstream and cause hypogonadism. And I found a very interesting study, and this is a screenshot from a picture out of the medical paper. This is called the gelding theory. And what it basically states is that when there is a breakdown in the mucosal barrier, then the endotoxins can pass into the circulation, so into the bloodstream, and this is called then metabolic endotoxemia. And this has a direct effect on your Leydig cells, so it will inhibit steroidogenesis due to oxidative stress. Again, oxidative stress is the main root cause of low testosterone. What it also does is can cause brain fog, of course, with endotoxin that inhibits the release of your signaling hormones like LH from the pituitary gland. So you are inhibiting the testosterone, the androgen production now on two levels, on the gonadal level and on the level of the brain. What it also can do is reduce sperm, so the synthesis of sperm, but also thyroid function. And this is the third main part. We want to really heal the gut before we start optimizing testosterone levels. And I know that many of you men have all kinds of digestive issues. This is why it is foundational to start with the gut, healing the gut. And this is the conclusion of the paper. It basically states that we can reverse hypogonadism when we improve the barrier function of the intestines, meaning if we heal and seal the gut lining, we can prevent the migration of bacteria and endotoxin into the circulatory system, and therefore preventing hypogonadism and also reversing it.